हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बॅक टू लर्न विथ जॉय. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत सब्जेक्ट मॅथमॅटिक्स, लेसन नंबर 5 फ्रॅक्शन्स, प्रॉब्लेम सेट 19. प्रॉब्लेम सेट 19 मध्ये आपल्याला कशा प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहेत ते आपण सर्वात प्रथम बघूया. कंपेअरिंग लाईक फ्रॅक्शन्स, comparing fractions with equal numerators, comparing unlike fractions. So here we are going to compare the fractions. Okay, so we want to compare two fractions. So if in like fractions, if like fractions are there, जर like fractions दिलेले असतील, in like fractions the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. So always remember that in the like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator, like fractions, you know very well that the denominators are same. Okay, so here you can see 8 denominators are same, denominators त्यांचे सेम आहेत. तर डिनॉमिनेटर्स ज्यावेळेस सेम असतात अशा प्रकारच्या लाईक फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये आपल्याला न्यूमरेटरचा विचार करायचा असतो. जसा न्यूमरेटर मोठा तो फ्रॅक्शन हा मोठा असतो. ओके, सो आपण अशा प्रकारे कम्पेअर करू शकतो. 4/8 हा मोठा आहे म्हणून आपण अशा प्रकारचं साइन या ठिकाणी दिलेलं आहे. ओके, सो लाईक दिस वी कॅन कम्पेअर लाईक फ्रॅक्शन्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, कम्पेअरिंग फ्रॅक्शन्स विथ इक्वल न्यूमरेटर्स. जर इक्वल न्यूमरेटर्स असले 2 या ठिकाणी दोन्ही इक्वल आहेत. Okay, so of two fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with the greater denominator, okay, is the smaller fraction. Okay, opposite. Here we have seen that the greater numerator is the greater fraction, and here the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Okay, this you have to remember. So here is a greater numerator. So that's why this is the smaller fraction. So we can give sign like this because 2/3 is greater than 2/4. Clear? Next point, comparing unlike fractions. आता या ठिकाणी unlike fractions असले तर ते कसे कंपेअर करायचे ते बघूया. To compare unlike fractions, we convert them into their equivalent fractions so that their denominators are the same. So if unlike fractions are there, we have to convert them into their equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction मध्ये कन्वर्ट कसं करायचं हे आपण मागील प्रॉब्लेम सेट मध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. जर या ठिकाणी उदाहरण दिलेलं आहे 3/5, 4/7. Okay, so here you can see numerators are different and denominators are also different. They are not like, they are not same. So here we have to convert them into the equal fractions. Okay, so 3/5, if we multiply these both numbers by 7, we will get denominator as 35, and here we have to multiply with the 5 so that we can get the denominator 35. डिनॉमिनेटर आपल्याला सेम करून घ्यायचं आहे. ज्यावेळेस डिनॉमिनेटर आपल्याला सेम करून घ्यायचं आहे त्यावेळेस एक पर्टिक्युलर नंबरने आपल्याला दोन्ही न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर्सला multiply करावं लागतं. Okay, so here we got number as 21/35, 20/35, and here we can use our the same trick which we have seen in the previous. So if denominators are same, okay, if denominators are same, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction, right? So we can give sign like that. So 3/5 and 4/7 we can give sign like that. So students, here is problem set 90. Write the proper symbol from smaller than, greater than or equal in the box. या ठिकाणी उदाहरणं दिलेली आहेत आणि वरती जी आपण रूल्स बघितली त्यानुसार आपल्याला हे सिम्बॉल्स वापरायचे आहेत. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज हियर 3/7 and 3/7. 3/7 and 3/7. Which symbol will be there? Equal. Both are equal, no? Both fractions are equal, so we have to use the equal symbol. It's very easy. Okay. Next one, 3/8, 2/8. So if you observe here, denominators are same, okay, but numerators are different. So we have seen the first rule, if the numerator is greater, then that fraction will be greater fraction if the denominators are same. So here denominators are same and this numerator is greater, so this is the greater fraction, right? Then third number, 2 upon 11 and 10 upon 11. So denominators are same, and which is the greater fraction? Then having the numerator greater. So here is 10. So this is the greater fraction. Okay. Then 5 by 15, 10 by 13. So in this example, you can see denominators are different and numerators are also different. So what to do here? We have to make the denominators same here. Okay. So we can write here 5 by 15. So if I multiply this 15 by 2, here also I have to multiply by 2, right? So we will get 5 into 2, 10, and 15 into 2, 30, right? So here we got the same denominators. So if you will see 10 by 30 and here 10 by 30, so both are equal, right? So we can write this, both are equal. Both fractions are equal. Next example, 5 by 8 and 5 by 9. So what is here? 5, 5. Numerators are same, and we have seen the rule that if numerators are same and the denominators are different, the denominator which is greater is smaller. Okay. So here 9 is greater than 8. So this will be smaller fraction, right? This number will be smaller than this number because denominator is greater. Then next number, 4 by 7, 4 by 11. Here also you can see numerators are same. So here denominators are 7 and 11. Which is the greater one? 11. So denominator is greater. So this fraction is smaller. Okay. 10 by 11, 10 by 13. Numerators are same. Okay. So same condition. So here 11 and here 13. This denominator is greater. So this fraction is smaller fraction. Right. Then next, 1 by 5, 1 by 9. You can see numerators are same but denominators are different. Which denominator is greater? 9. So if the denominator is greater, that fraction is smaller. So we have to give sign like this. Okay. Then next number, 5 by 6, 1 by 8. You can see here denominators and numerators are different. So what we have to do? We have to make them equal fraction, right? So 5 by 6, 5 by 6. If we multiply this number by 4, we will get denominator as 24. And if we multiply this 1 by 8 by 3, we will get denominator as 24. Okay, we have seen this. So let's try. So here denominators are same. And if same denominators, then we have to see numerators. Which is the greater numerator? 20. So this fraction is greater fraction, right? So this fraction means which fraction? 5 upon 6. So we can give sign here like this. Okay. 5 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 8. Number 10, 5 upon 12 and 1 upon 6. So here also you can see numerators and denominators are different. Okay. So we have to make them equal fraction. So let's start. 5 upon 12. So 12 is here. Okay. And here is 6. If you multiply this 6 into 2. Okay. 6 into 2, 12. So we will get 12. So no need to multiply this number with any number. Okay. This will be stable. So this 1 upon 6 we will take here. And if we multiply 6 into 2 and here also 2, we will get 2 upon 12, right? So we got same denominators here So if these same denominators, which is the greater numerator? 5. So which fraction will be greater? 5 upon 12. So we got answer. Next number 7 upon 8 and 14 upon 16. If you will observe here, here is 16 and here is 8, right? So if you multiply 2 by 8, okay, 8 by 2 or 2 by 8, that will be 16, right? So we need to multiply this fraction only, 7 upon 8 by 2, right? 7 into 2, 14, and 8 into 2, 16. So we got the same denominators here. So which is the greater numerator? 14. So this greater numerator, that's why this fraction will be greater. Okay. Then 4 by 9 and 4 by 9. 4 by 9 and 4 by 9, of course, both fractions are equal. Okay, we need to give equal sign. Next number 5 upon 18, 1 upon 9. Okay, so if you observe here, here is 18 and here is 9. 18, and we have to convert this 9 into 18. If you want to convert this 9 into 18, you need to multiply this number by 2, right? So here is 2 and here is 18. So 18 means denominators we got same. So here is 5 and here is 2. Which numerator is greater? 5, right? So this fraction will be greater fraction. Next 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. Okay. So if you will observe here, you cannot see the same numerators and same denominators. So we need to make the same denominators here. So if you will observe here, if you multiply 2 upon 3 by 7, you will get 21 as denominator, right? And if you multiply this number with 3, we'll get 21 as denominator. So we want to make the same denominator. So let's multiply 2 by 3 by 7. Okay, here 14 and here 21, and here 4 by 7. Let's multiply this number with 3. Here 12 and here 21. Okay, so we got same denominators. So which is the greater numerator? 14 and here 12, right? So 14 is greater. So which fraction is greater fraction? 2 by 3. Then next number 3 by 7 and 5 by 9. Okay, here is 7 and here is 9. So let's make the same denominators. Okay, if you multiply 3 by 7 with 9, you will get here 27 and here 63. 7 9s are 63. Okay, then 5 by 9, you need to multiply this number with 7, because here 7 multiplied by 9 is 63. So here also 9 multiplied by 7, opposite, you will get 63, right? So here also you have to multiply with 7 only. 7 5s are 35 and 9 7s are 63. So same denominators. Now let's check numerators. Here 27 and here 35, right? So this is a greater numerator. So greater numerator, that is the greater fraction. So we got answer like this. Then 4 upon 11 and 1 upon 5. Here also no same numerator, no same denominator. So let's multiply these numbers with the numbers so that we can make same denominators. Okay, if I multiply 4 by 11 by 5, I will get here 55, right? And here 20. Next number is 1 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 5, I need to multiply this 5 number with 11, because here also you can see 11 multiplied by 5, 55. So here opposite we can take here 11 and here also we have to take 11, right? So here you will get 55 and here you will get 11. So same denominators. Let's check numerators. Which is the greater numerator? 20. So 20 is the greater numerator, so it is a greater fraction. So we have to give sign like this. Okay. So students, here are problem set 19 finished. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, प्रॉब्लेम सेट 19 या ठिकाणी आपला संपलेला आहे. आपण पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये बघणार आहोत प्रॉब्लेम सेट 20. थँक्यू. टेक केअर. बाय.